What if I told you, you could finish an entire 300-page book in just 10 minutes, and actually remember what matters most? No, I'm not talking about speed reading or some fancy memory hack. I'm talking about using AI, specifically ChatGPT, to turn any book into clear, bite-sized insights you can apply instantly. If you've ever bought a book that just sat there collecting dust, stay tuned, because after watching this, you'll never look at reading the same way again. Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen AI Tools, the channel where I show you how to work smarter, not harder, using the latest AI breakthroughs. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can transform any book into quick, actionable insights using ChatGPT and a few powerful tools. Whether you're a student, a creator, a business owner, or just someone who loves learning but hates wasting time, this video will change the way you learn forever. So, let's jump right in. Be honest. How many books have you started but never finished? How many times have you thought, I really want to read more, but I just don't have the time? You're not alone. Between work, responsibilities, and constant distractions, finishing books feels like a luxury. And even if you do finish them, how much of what you read do you actually remember? We live in a world overflowing with information, but ironically, we're more overwhelmed than ever. That's where AI comes in. AI doesn't just read books for you, it understands them. It can summarize chapters, extract lessons, find key insights, and even turn complex ideas into step-by-step action plans. Sounds crazy? Let me show you how simple it actually is. Let's break this down into 5 simple steps using a few amazing tools. Chapter 1. ChatGPT, your personal book mentor. If you only use one tool for this, let it be ChatGPT. Think of ChatGPT as your personal reading assistant, capable of summarizing any book and highlighting the most valuable ideas in seconds. Example 1. Let's say you want to learn about productivity, and you've been meaning to read Atomic Habits by James Clear. Instead of spending 8 hours reading it cover to cover, you can ask ChatGPT, summarize Atomic Habits by James Clear in 10 key points I can apply today. And within seconds, ChatGPT will give you an easy-to-read breakdown of the book's main principles. Habit stacking, identity-based habits, environment design, all ready to digest. But that's not even the best part. Example 2. You can go even deeper. Ask ChatGPT, give me a daily action plan to build better habits using the ideas from Atomic Habits. Now it doesn't just summarize, it personalizes the content for your lifestyle. Suddenly, reading isn't passive anymore. It's practical, instant, and goal-driven. Bonus tip. You can even ask ChatGPT to compare 2 books. Compare Deep Work by Cal Newport and Atomic Habits by James Clear. What are their similarities and how can I use both together to improve focus and productivity? ChatGPT will find overlapping ideas, show contrasts, and give you a combined strategy. This is the kind of synthesis that used to take hours of note-taking. Now, it takes seconds. That's the true magic of AI learning. Chapter 2. SkillLeap AI. Learn smarter, not harder. Okay, so you've summarized your book with ChatGPT, but what if you want to learn faster, to truly absorb that knowledge? That's where SkillLeap AI comes in. SkillLeap takes what you've learned, from a book, a course, or even a YouTube video, and turns it into personalized micro-lessons and quizzes that help the knowledge stick. Imagine uploading your summary of the 48 Laws of Power into SkillLeap, and it creates flashcards, practice questions, and memory challenges automatically. Instead of rereading a 500-page book, you can train your brain to remember the key takeaways while having fun. It's like Duolingo, but for any book you want to master. So, after ChatGPT helps you summarize the book, SkillLeap helps you retain it. That's the perfect combo. Understanding plus retention. Chapter 3. Notion. AI, the ultimate book knowledge organizer. Now that you've got all these book insights, you'll need a smart way to organize them. Meet Notion AI, your second brain for managing everything you learn. Here's what I love about it. You can create a book vault inside Notion. A simple table where each entry is a book you've read or summarized. Then add columns for key insights, favorite quotes, action steps, and personal reflections. The AI inside Notion can even help you rewrite your notes more clearly, generate summaries from your own highlights, or even connect ideas between books. For example, say you've summarized The 4-Hour Workweek and Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Ask Notion AI, Find common lessons between these two books and create an actionable plan for achieving financial freedom. Boom. Now you've got a personalized roadmap made from your favorite books, and you didn't even have to think too hard. This turns your Notion dashboard into a digital library of wisdom, where every lesson is indexed, summarized, and ready whenever you need it. Chapter 4. Gumroad. Turn your book insights into digital products. Now, here's where things get really interesting, because once you start creating all these book summaries, you're sitting on gold. People love bite-sized knowledge, especially when it's presented beautifully and saves them time. That's where Gumroad comes in. Gumroad lets you sell digital products easily, like book summaries, Notion templates, or learning guides. So imagine this. You use ChatGPT to summarize 10 popular self-improvement books. Then you use Notion AI to organize them into an interactive template. Finally, you upload that template on Gumroad, and boom, you're making passive income while helping others learn faster. That's not just reading smarter, that's monetizing your learning journey. Chapter 5. Durable.co. Build your learning brand. Instantly. Let's say you start doing this regularly, summarizing, organizing, and selling your insights. You'll need a professional-looking website to share your work, right? That's where Durable.co steps in. Durable is an AI website builder that lets you create a full website in under a minute. You just tell it what your site is about. For example, I create AI-powered book summaries that help people learn faster. And Durable instantly builds your homepage, about section, services, and even a blog page, automatically written for you. Then, you can upload your Notion templates or Gumroad products directly on your site. No design skills, no coding, no headache. Now, you've gone from reading books to building a business around your knowledge, in literally minutes. That's the real-world power of AI tools when used together. Let's put all of this together with a simple example. Imagine you've always wanted to understand business psychology, so you pick the book Influence by Robert Cialdini. Here's the 5-step flow. ChatGPT. You paste a short summary of the book or ask it, summarize Influence by Robert Cialdini into 10 actionable marketing principles. You instantly get insights like reciprocity, social proof, scarcity, and authority. SkillLeap AI. You take that summary and feed it into SkillLeap to generate flashcards and quick learning exercises. Now you've memorized all 6 principles effortlessly. Notion AI. You add your notes to your Notion book vault under Influence. You ask Notion AI, suggest real-world examples of these principles in modern marketing. It generates relatable, updated examples you can use. Gumroad. You turn that Notion page into a digital resource, a mini Influence playbook, and upload it on Gumroad. Durable.co. You create your own personal website called AI Reading Lab to showcase your summaries, offer your products, and grow an audience. And just like that, a single book becomes a product, a brand, and an income stream. No fancy skills, no big investment, just curiosity and the right AI tools. Because AI eliminates the 2 biggest barriers to learning, time and overwhelm. It doesn't replace your brain, it amplifies it. Instead of reading a book once and forgetting it, you turn it into a living system, something that stays with you, grows with you, and even earns you income. It's like upgrading your learning from read and forget to learn, apply, and profit. And all it takes is a few clicks. Pro tips for maximum results. Let me give you some bonus tips if you really want to master this process. Tip number 1. Use chunking. When using ChatGPT, don't ask it to summarize the entire book in one go. Instead, ask, summarize the main lessons of Chapter 1 in 5 points. Now, explain those points as if I'm 10 years old. You'll get much clearer, more accurate results. Tip number 2. Layer your prompts. Start with a general summary, then layer deeper questions. Now turn this into a daily 10-minute routine I can follow. Now give me examples from modern startups. This makes the knowledge practical and instantly usable. Tip number 3. Combine insights from multiple books. Use ChatGPT to merge the best of different books into one strategy. Combine the best productivity ideas from Atomic Habits, Deep Work, and The One Thing into a single morning routine. This is where AI shines, connecting dots between authors who've never met. Tip number 4. Keep a living library in Notion. Every time you summarize a book, save it in your Notion book vault. Over time, you'll have your own personal encyclopedia of wisdom, custom-built for your goals. Tip number 5. Share what you learn. Don't keep your insights to yourself. Turn them into posts, products, or templates. You'll not only remember better, you'll start building authority and maybe even income. Remember, knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is profit. If you want to try everything I showed you today, I've put all the links down below: ChatGPT, SkillLeap AI, Notion AI, Gumroad, and Durable.co, plus a free AI learning toolkit to help you get started right now. So go ahead, click those links in the description, and start transforming your bookshelf into an income stream today. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more AI-powered productivity hacks every week, and drop a comment telling me, what's the first book you're going to transform with AI? I'd love to hear your picks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video showed you that learning faster isn't about reading more, it's about learning smarter. Next week, I'll show you how to use AI to create digital courses from your favorite books, automatically. You don't want to miss that. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.